Block the Synaptics Touchpad Driver Diagnostics dialog. The registry fix does not work. I'm running Windows 10 and I use the Alt plus Shift plus L shortcut, which brings up this annoying dialog. I've already run the registry key fix as follows, and reset the computer afterward. Reg add hk_local_common/system/services/current control set /debug/syntp/d/debug/p/debug/d-reg_dword/f. Is there a way to change the hotkey assignment, or somehow disable the diagnostic service?
Have you tried AutoHotkey? You can simply disable a key combination or remap it so you can e.g. make Ctrl plus Win plus T to that window while blocking the Alt plus Shift plus L combination. After updating to driver version 19.0.17, 115 also shows firmware version 1.5, the registry fix now works.
Providing updated answers since previous ones are 2 years old and a bit out of date. As of September 2018, it is no longer possible to install drivers for touchpad or other Synaptics hardware directly from Synaptics website. You have to search the internet for your manufacturer's OEM driver that is tailored exactly to your computer/hardware. For example, for ThinkPads you have to either use Lenovo website, Synaptics ThinkPad UltraNav Driver 19.3.4.214 for Windows 10, or Softpedia, Lenovo ThinkPad T550 UltraNav Synaptics Driver 19.0.17.115 for Windows 10. Or simply Google it, ThinkPad Synaptics Driver for Windows 10. After driver update and Windows restart you must set Windows registry entry as an ops question. There are rumors that even with updated driver and Windows registry entry correctly made, this nasty nag screen still appears. In this case, blocking automatic drivers installation in Windows May 10th be the only way.
Disabling SyntPin service allowed me to stop seeing these prompts while keeping touchpad's functionality. I made sure that the service also does not start automatically on startup. Neither modifying the registry or updating drivers seem to have worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.